Hello everyone, today I will show you how to align text horizontally center in Google Spreadsheet. I will align this 5 number row cell horizontally center and click on the cell serial number and select. Now here I will find this center option. I will center all of this text normally, and here we will find this middle option and simply select middle and see this all of this text now horizontally centered. Also I'll center this parcel text and I will make it middle and see this middle position. Now I'll select here middle and see this all of this text now horizontally centered. In this way you can center a specific cell text or say all cell text. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.